Uppercase and lowercase letter recognition. Welcome to our English language learning video on uppercase and lowercase letter recognition. In this video, we will focus on understanding the difference between uppercase and lowercase letters in the English alphabet. Mastering this skill is crucial for developing strong reading and writing abilities in English. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the activities and exercises, let's first understand what uppercase and lowercase letters are. Uppercase letters, also known as capital letters, are larger in size and are used to begin sentences, proper nouns, and titles. On the other hand, lowercase letters are smaller in size and are used for the majority of words in a sentence. Understanding the distinction between these two types of letters will greatly enhance your overall English language skills. Now that we have a basic understanding of uppercase and lowercase letters, let's practice recognizing them. In this section, we will go through a series of exercises to help you become more familiar with identifying both uppercase and lowercase letters. Exercise 1. Look at the screen, and I will show you a letter. Your task is to identify whether it is an uppercase or lowercase letter. For example, if I show you the letter A, you should say, uppercase. Let's begin. Exercise 2. Now, we will play a matching game. I will display a set of uppercase letters on one side of the screen and lowercase letters on the other side. Your goal is to match the corresponding uppercase and lowercase letters by drawing a line between them. This exercise will help reinforce your understanding of the relationship between uppercase and lowercase letters. Exercise 3. In this exercise, I will say a word out loud, and your task is to identify whether the first letter of the word is an uppercase or lowercase letter. This activity will sharpen your ability to recognize uppercase letters at the beginning of words. Now that you can recognize uppercase and lowercase letters, it's time to practice writing them. Strong writing skills are essential in English, and being able to write both uppercase and lowercase letters accurately is an important aspect. Exercise 1. Let's start by practicing writing uppercase letters. I will display an uppercase letter on the screen, and you should grab a pen and paper to write the letter in uppercase form. Take your time and try to replicate the shape of the letter as accurately as possible. Exercise 2. Moving on to lowercase letters, I will display a lowercase letter on the screen, and you should write it in lowercase form. Remember to pay attention to the size and shape of the letter to ensure proper representation. Exercise 3. To further reinforce your writing skills, we will practice writing words. I will display a word, and you should write it down, paying attention to the correct case for each letter. This exercise will help you apply your knowledge of uppercase and lowercase letters in real-world scenarios. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the activities and exercises on uppercase and lowercase letter recognition. By mastering this skill, you have taken an important step towards improving your English language abilities. Remember to continue practicing and incorporating uppercase and lowercase letters in your reading and writing practice. Keep up the great work, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy learning!